Hello everyone, I'm Jenny and I do marketing. Today I will show you how to use marketing software to mass auto comment on Facebook posts. This feature is a total game changer if you want to post engagement, make your post look more active, or just save hours of manual commenting. Let's get started. First, we use the software to scan the post UID that we want to comment on. Once that's done, we got our full UID list right here and ready to go. Next, click on the comment function. Then choose Comment on Post. Here, I select Comment by Post UID. Hit the Enter Post UID button and simply paste in the UID list we just scanned. If you don't know how to scan UID yet, don't worry, I will attach the link for you here so you can look it up, or you can contact me and I will show you how to do it. I will leave my contact in the comment section. Now we set how many comments each account will make. You can limit it to a few comments per account or let it go big, totally up to you. You can also choose extra action like auto react while commenting. This makes your comment look more natural and engaging. And here is the best part. This feature saves a huge amount of manual labor. Normally, you would need a whole team to mass comment by hand. But with this software, it's just one click and it's very time saving. The software will handle everything for you. Once everything is ready, I hit start. Now the software begins to run automatically. You will see it navigate to export URL, drop the comment, react, and move to the next one. All on autopilot, and you don't have to do anything. And that's it. In just a few minutes, all your selected posts are filled with real-looking comment and reaction. This helps save hours and human resource every single day. Push trust and engagement on your content. Make your post look viral and active. This is exactly how you can scale social interaction efficiently. So that's how you use software to automate comment sitting on Facebook posts. If you need more information about this software, contact me below by Telegram and WhatsApp here or in my comment section. See you in the next video.